Last summer, we embarked on our annual family camping trip to the great outdoors, eager for a break from our usual routines. The first night, nestled in our tents under a starry sky, we quickly learned that Dad's snoring was nothing short of legendary. It was a sound so thunderous it could have been mistaken for a chainsaw revving up, or so we thought. By the second night, we noticed something peculiar. There were no signs of any wildlife, not a single bear paw print near our camp. We chuckled, half joking that Dad's snoring was keeping the bears at bay. But just as we were drifting off, we heard a rustling sound, followed by a cacophony of tiny instruments. Peeking outside, we were greeted by the sight of an entire raccoon band, complete with harmonicas and maracas, jamming out in perfect harmony. It seemed Dad's snoring had attracted them as the perfect backup singer. Turns out,